Unfortunately, Hong Kong only recognises traditional legal dependents, that's spouse and unmarried children under the age of 18, when they issue dependent visas. Consequently, same-sex partner family members need to be creative in their circumstances. For example, will you qualify for permissions under one of the other visa categories in your own right? If not, and your partner as principal visa holder is able to demonstrate capacity to support you whilst you remain in Hong Kong, the only real option is to apply for a prolonged visitor visa. This status is what we've coined a slippers and pipe visa, in so much as it allows the holder to remain in Hong Kong for an extended period of time to avail residency, but does not provide permissions to work, join in a business, or establish a business, nor undertake a formal course of study.
Application for prolonged visitor visas by same-sex partners can be something of an uphill struggle. The Immigration Department are naturally enough looking to see that the typical types of criteria that apply in relation to normal legal dependent visa situations are also applicable in a same-sex partner scenario. So they will certainly be looking for proof of the relationship, and that is they'll be expecting to see a pre-existing cohabitation overseas, and you will need to be able to prove it, or that you have undergone a civil ceremony in your home country if such are available to you, and that your marriage has been recognised at law in that jurisdiction. The Immigration Department will be expecting to see that the Hong Kong resident partner will have the means to be able to sponsor the partner that will be holding the prolonged visitor visa, and this is really a function of being able to show that you can put a roof over his or her head, and you can put food on his or her table. Because the status that comes for same-sex partners in this situation is prolonged visitor visa, which by the way is the same status that's available for heterosexual de facto spouse type scenarios, it is a status that only avails residency, but not much more. You will not be able to establish or join in a business, or you will not be able to take up employment under this immigration status. So it is very much a slippers and pipe type immigration status, but it will give you residency. The next step is for you to review the visa information document. This details each of the essential elements of a successfully argued Hong Kong visa case and contains in-context links to all the resources needed to prepare your application. These include application templates, the online application forms, screencasts on how to complete the forms, a checklist of all the documents you need to prepare as part of the submission bundle, a crib sheet on how to submit your application, and audio discussions of some of the finer points of official policy and procedure, and specific case examples from the past which will serve to help you by way of illustration. Let's go to the visa information document now.